Hello, in front of me I've got Heroes, Olden Era. In this video I'll show you how to manage Spellbook. To manage Spellbook, press button of the eye in the top left corner. Right here we've got spells divided on levels. With each next level of the Mage Guild you unlock stronger spells. Here we've got spells we've already unlocked. Each spell can be unlocked with certain resources. You can see your resources at the top of the list. Also, each spell can be upgraded. It also requires resource. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.